Today we're up here at Local 150 in Wilmington, the Operators Hall. We put on a paving seminar for all of the customers, for Roland Machinery, contractors. Our whole purpose of today is to get back to the basics, paving principles. We went through, basically did about a half a day auditorium, and then we had come out and we did put sand through the pavers. The whole purpose of today was getting the guys back to the basics. So giving them the comfort they need, maybe guys that's never ran a screed before, and even the guys that's been running screeds for years, maybe refresh some of the easy things for them to have a better mat, do a better job. Everyone come up to us and told us that they got some stuff out of it, and that was the whole purpose of all of it. Everybody's already asked if we're doing it next year, and yes, we'll be putting it on again next year.
One of the things I find in my last 30-some years in this industry, Paving 101 is not being taught in any university. And we have engineers coming out of school, have a degree in civil or mechanical engineering, but no training on paving. We have crews that come on board with no official training, and they have to lay asphalt. So trainings like this help from engineers all the way down to the paving crew understand Paving 101 so they can make intelligent decisions as they're paving.
This event's been fantastic. I want them to take out what works best for them, what's going to help them do their job better in a more efficient time. Roland is top notch. I've known them for years. They've done a lot of training. They know the product. They're passionate about it. They care about the customers. They go the extra mile for them. They are a fantastic crew to work with.
To be able to come out here and actually put guys on the back of the screed and pave out some sand, see the machine actually working, combining what you're seeing in the classroom on the presentation and also physically seeing it lay out, you know, that's huge. I'd say the biggest things we'd like for them to take away is, one, understanding that we're here to support them with the HOM and the Vogel line. Two, that we have the industry leaders traveling around currently in the area, so they're also there on a manufacturer support level. We had a great turnout, way more than expected, and we look forward to the 2024 paving season.
We typically do a paving by numbers type of course each year, and this is definitely a good refresher for even our most seasoned employees.
Enjoy coming to classes like that, learning new stuff every day, just to add to your knowledge of your skills.
Me, myself personally, I'm really wanting to learn more about a lot of the equipment that we use, so I got, quite a bit out of it. I mean, if I can come to this like once or twice a year and just like keep getting informed on the machines and whatnot, it'll definitely benefit me personally in the long run.